What if you could own a car that feels faster than most sports cars, costs almost nothing to maintain, and gets smarter every few weeks without ever visiting a dealership? This is the Tesla Model 3, one of America's best-selling electric sedans. But is it really worth your money in 2026? Today we're taking a deep look at everything you need to know before buying one. Let's find out. The Tesla Model 3 isn't just another electric vehicle. It's designed for people who want cutting-edge technology, instant performance, and lower ownership costs compared to traditional gas-powered cars. From the outside, the Model 3 has a clean and modern design. There are no unnecessary lines or oversized grills because an electric car doesn't need the same cooling system as a gasoline engine. The sleek LED headlights, smooth body shape, and aerodynamic profile don't just look premium, they also help improve efficiency and driving range. Step inside and you'll immediately notice something different. Tesla has removed almost every physical button. Instead, nearly everything is controlled through a large 15.4-inch touchscreen mounted in the center of the dashboard. It controls navigation, climate settings, entertainment, cameras, charging, and even vehicle customization. The minimalist cabin gives the Model 3 a futuristic feel that's unlike almost any other sedan on the market. One of the biggest reasons buyers choose the Model 3 is its incredible performance. Even the standard rear-wheel drive version delivers instant acceleration because electric motors produce maximum torque the moment you press the accelerator. There are no gear shifts, no engine noise, and no delay, just smooth, immediate power. If you choose the long-range all-wheel drive model, you'll enjoy even quicker acceleration, better traction in rain or snow, and an impressive driving range that's perfect for long road trips. For buyers who want maximum excitement, the performance version takes things to another level. It accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in sports car territory while still offering everyday comfort. Another major advantage is efficiency. Unlike gasoline vehicles, you won't spend money on oil changes, spark plugs, transmission servicing, or many traditional maintenance items. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, helping reduce long-term maintenance costs. Charging is also easier than many people think. You can charge at home overnight and wake up every morning with a full battery. For longer trips, Tesla's supercharger network across the United States allows fast charging, adding hundreds of miles of range in a relatively short stop. But performance isn't the only reason people love the Model 3. Now let's talk about the technology that truly separates the Tesla Model 3 from almost every other sedan on the road. One of its biggest highlights is Tesla Autopilot. While it doesn't make the car fully self-driving in every situation, it can assist with steering, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles on compatible roads. This helps reduce driver fatigue during long highway trips, but the driver must always stay attentive and ready to take control. The Model 3 also receives over-the-air software updates. Instead of visiting a dealership for many feature improvements, Tesla can send updates directly to your car through Wi-Fi. These updates may improve performance, add new features, enhance the user interface, or optimize battery management, making the car feel newer over time. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly spacious. The panoramic glass roof creates an open and airy feeling, while the premium seats are comfortable, enough for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Thanks to the absence of a traditional engine, the front trunk, or frunk, adds extra storage, and the rear cargo area is generous enough for luggage, groceries, or weekend road trips. Safety is another area where the Model 3 stands out. Its rigid body structure, low center of gravity created by the battery pack, multiple airbags, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance technologies all contribute to making it one of the safest electric sedans available. For everyday driving, the Model 3 is incredibly quiet. Without engine noise, the cabin feels calm and refined, making conversations, music, and phone calls much more enjoyable. The responsive steering and balanced suspension also make the car feel confident whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway. So, who should buy the Tesla Model 3? If you're looking for a modern electric sedan with excellent acceleration, advanced technology, low maintenance costs, outstanding efficiency, and access to one of the best charging networks in America, the Tesla Model 3 is a compelling choice. However, if you prefer traditional physical buttons, a conventional dashboard layout, or frequently travel to areas with limited EV charging infrastructure, you should consider whether an electric vehicle fits your lifestyle. Overall, the Tesla Model 3 continues to set the benchmark for electric sedans in the United States. It combines performance, technology, practicality, and efficiency into one impressive package, making it a smart choice for first-time EV buyers and experienced electric vehicle owners alike. The Tesla Model 3 isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. If you want cutting-edge technology, thrilling performance, low operating costs, and an EV that's built for everyday life, the Model 3 deserves a spot at the top of your shopping list. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews of the latest luxury and electric vehicles in the USA.